Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem you're facing with animating a bar chart. The challenge lies in revealing one bar at a time while keeping the previous ones visible. You've made progress by structuring your data and setting up the initial plot, but you've hit a roadblock in achieving the desired animation effect. Now, let's discuss the solution you already have at hand. By adding a fake first category to your factor type and grouping by type to grow the bars from 0, you're on the right track. Setting the group globally for all gems ensures that the bars grow sequentially and the labels adjust accordingly. The transition underscore states function helps in animating the bars while maintaining their previous states, giving a dynamic effect to your chart. To wrap it all up, you've taken a step in the right direction with your animation approach. By tweaking the data structure and leveraging the ggplot2 functionalities, you're closer to achieving the animated bar chart you envisioned. Keep exploring and experimenting with different parameters to fine-tune your animation and bring your data to life visually. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful. And as always, keep exploring the exciting world of data visualization with a touch of animation. See you next time.